Looking for a remote control truck that delivers realistic construction vehicle action? The Huina 1501 19-channel RC tractor brings professional-grade engineering to your hands. This 1/18 scale alloy tractor features incredible detail with working lights, realistic engine sounds, and proportional control for smooth operation. With 19 channels of control, you can operate the support frame, tailgate, turn signals, and more, just like a real semi-truck. The rear four-wheel drive provides powerful traction, while independent front shock absorption ensures stability over bumps and rough terrain. The 2.4 GHz remote control offers responsive handling up to 120 meters away, and genuine authorization styling makes it a showpiece for playing or displaying. 4 lighting modes with linked turn signals, taillights, and roof lights create authentic driving experience, while variable engine sounds respond to your acceleration. Perfect for hobbyists aged 14 and up, this ready-to-run truck requires no assembly. Whether you're a collector, RC enthusiast, or seeking an impressive gift, this engineering marvel delivers hours of realistic fun. Find the purchase link in the description and comments.